welcome to Linux Help. Today we're gonna see how to install Nginx on Oracle Linux 8.8. The Nginx web server and reverse proxy are the one of the most powerful, popular and highly scalable open source web server because it is free, fast, stable, easy to configure and consume little resources. It can also be used as a load balancer, mail proxy and HTTP caches. First I am going to check the OS version by using the below command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next I am going to install Nginx package by using the below command. Give yes. Next I am going to start the Nginx service by using the below command. Next I am going to enable the Nginx service by using the below command. Next I am going to check the status of the Nginx service by using the below command. It is active and running. Next I am going to search in my browser. Type localhost. This is the welcome page of Nginx. This is the process to install Nginx on Oracle Linux.
If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.